Anticalities.
Right.
Yeah, that's nice this one.
And if we don't eat the fat, we don't feel good.
Ooh,
The last
ooh,
time
ooh,
we,
ooh, ooh.
the last time she be trying.
Check out the beautiful pizza, guys. Can't go wrong. We can't eat this. It's over hot.
Yeah.
And I'm not eating this one. This one has plenty of veggies. I will eat the non-veggie one. Right. Yes, guys, tonight for dish, and we at it again. So I reach home a little late. Leah cooking, Leah cooking downstairs, Helen cooking upstairs. So let me go and see what the two set of girls cooking. Super excited and super hungry. We'll see how it goes. Dish, the little Leah gonna make some kind of different pizza. Leah, wanna explain me?
It's not different pizza, it's just a different dough.
What kind of dough is
It's
this?
very sticky. I like how to the normal ways.
What kind of dough is this?
This is a supposed to be like a more kind of chewy, crusty pizza.
It's an Italian dough. What you gonna do?
Yeah, it's Italian.
So sorry I didn't get when she was mixing the dough, but she did it very late in the night yesterday because she said this dough had to remain overnight.
Very sticky. Well, they say it's supposed to be sticky, so I don't know, we'll see.
So we will compare this and see if this dough is the best pizza dough we ever eat. Where you get this recipe, Leah?
YouTube. An Italian man, a very popular Italian guy, I forget his name. I'll check back the name and tell you. Right, so what does he do?
Look, I get a real nice boy.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Wow.
Alright, so we put it to rest for an hour in a oiled dish. And that's it.
So you need it overnight. You make the circle and then you put it to rest for another hour.
Yeah, no, what you make overnight is the poolish. It's like flour and yeast and honey mixed together, and you leave it to ferment. And then now you're mixing more flour and yeast in it and salt, and you knead it, and then you make this too.
So guys, mommy cooking upstairs, Leah cooking downstairs. Let me see what Helen cooking. Ma, what cooking today?
Ham and bread.
Ham and bread.
Homemade bread.
So I come late for everything.
Right?
Who teach you to make bread, lady?
I don't know.
And what kind of bread? Long bread? Small bread?
All kind of bread.
All kind of bread. First time I'm seeing this design here. Check it out, guys.
This is butter bread.
I don't understand. What do you mean butter bread?
Butter bread is the long bread now.
Pull out one now, let me see one now.
Right?
Pull out one of the hops bread now, let me see. So
Can you want to
guys,
pull out?
so Helen, cooking two kind of bread in one tray. I love it.
Hello.
Helen, you're just like me and you like to do different thing, eh? Let me see how Helen bread come out. Long time Helen make bread, eh? Long time.
Oh, the underneath white.
The white water color underneath her.
No, go behind.
Well, let me see now.
Cut it then.
Hot one, let me see here. How you mean? It's very hot, guys.
Butter it then.
Nah, you don't butter it until you don't need
Properly well
ham.
cooked.
Very nice bread. I want
Eh?
Very nice bread.
Right.
Impressive. Perfect for ham. So guys, the ham cooking, we'll come back
You
to the
wanna
ham.
taste it,
Where's
guy?
the man?
No, the ham done.
Huh?
I'm gonna take it out.
Ham done?
Yeah, everything done.
Okay.
I mean,
So we check out Helen ham.
come on, it's Rosie.
Oh yeah, look at my Rosie.
Why?
Yeah man.
Come on, it's Rosie.
I think the Dixie ham very traditional. Right guys? There's some, what is that? This is a clove and thing, eh?
Yeah.
No sort of salt, no pineapple, no nothing.
I just boil it first.
Let's get our boil.
Right.
Yeah
With
man.
clove, the bay leaf,
Uh-huh.
and some sugar.
Yeah.
And then after I would stick it. You saw it leaking down?
Yeah, so
You
guys.
see now?
Real nice food. We have the ham, we have bread, we are making pizza. We're excited. Well, I'm going to tell you, we're going to wait for it to take some stuff to cool there a little bit.
And then you go start back,
And
right?
then we'll come and take a little taste.
Right.
Yeah, that's nice. This
And if we don't eat the fat, we don't feel good.
Ooh,
The
ooh,
last
ooh,
time
ooh, ooh, ooh.
the last time she be throwing all the fat.
Well, long time I say eat plenty of the fat. I will take a little taste now, but I don't overeat. I don't
You
overdo
get
it.
much, yeah?
I real fat with me, and I get much. I got fat, the whole top is fat.
Yeah.
No, but looking really good.
Yeah.
I love it.
just average because I can't, it's very sticky still. So I have one there. 2, right? So it's gonna form it back into somewhat of a boy.
You gotta rest again when you're
just for 5 minutes. I didn't really need to rest, but how is 3 are doing? That is why normally I would have just divided before, but it's so sticky. So the stickiest. How nice it's coming.
Yeah, looking really good.
Alright, out.
This is thick crust or thin crust?
No, however you want it. I'm trying to get an effect, but mine's not getting that. So I think this should be big enough then for the tower.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
So guys, while you're making pizza, this baby quarreling. She quarreling. She quarreling. That's how you get pizza. That's how you get pizza. So yes guys, pizza a little too big for the tower.
I'll have to just
That ain't nothing, that ain't nothing.
Yeah.
That ain't nothing, that is small thing. Beautiful ingredients. This is just what we have in the fridge. We have some sausage. Not the correct sausages, but they go work.
Alright.
I should go upstairs and get a piece of ham. So I don't want any pizza. So then for the sauce, what kind of sauce is that here?
It's tomato sauce.
Just normal tomato sauce? Yes guys, so check out the nice dough. So Leah, what you're going to do? You're going to put it in the oven a little bit before you add the ingredients. How long?
Until it gets a little brown.
Okay, okay. So this is the front, yeah? Go ahead, do your thing. So guys, mommy food finished before Leah food. So check out this beautiful ham coming to this ham. I want to cut from this side here. I hope she knife sharp. Oh God, she knife sharp nice. Check it out. Oh God, Helen, you cook this ham nice, boy. That one nice piece of bone. A wild piece of fat. Can't leave all the fat, guys. Fat looking nice. Let me get some more. I like the outside ham, guys. Yummy. Right, cut some nice ham there. Let me taste the ham one time, Helen. We had to taste this ham. I'm gonna cut another piece straight. Here, pull up. You want to taste it just so? I'll take a little dip. Take a little dip in the sauce. Some people just only cook ham Christmas. We just cook ham right through the year. Real nice, traditional way to bake ham. Really nice.
Tasting real nice.
I want the bread come out really, really good. I want to burst with my hand. My hair bread come out real nice. I want to check the inside. Nice homemade bread. Leah just make nice bread. Leah just make nice ham. But Helen just more traditional route. Right guys, so check out what I'm making here. This girl taping bread while I'm making this. This is my ham sandwich. Right, I take a little sauce. There's ketchup, pepper sauce. Ketchup, pepper sauce, some chow chow. Must have the chow chow, guys. Check out how beautiful this sandwich is. We can get a better sandwich than this, guys. We can get a better sandwich than this. My wappies?
No, you go ahead.
Best sandwich I eat, man. Best sandwich. Amazing. Check it out. Real nice. When I tell you this thing, nice, like overnight. Okay? I want to cut about a bit of ham to add in the pizza downstairs. And we're going to see what they are doing. Great job, Helen.
Yeah.
You're real shy today.
And there's no recipe. There's no recipe.
Helen don't make no bread with no recipe. Helen is just throw whatever she beat the throw, right? But the bread come out very hard. So guys, they are setting up the nice piece of ham mommy sent for the pizza. Just gonna make pizza taste. Just gonna make the pizza taste amazing. So she get some nice cube up. We'll get back to this. Check it out. So first time I seen this technique, let it cook a little bit in the oven first. Then you add your some olive oil on the edges. Baby crying in the background. I don't want to sort you out. Right, we had it now.
So just kind of brush it or use your fingers, whichever one.
So, we had it. We had it.
The ham.
Nice cubes of ham, guys. Check it out. This getting cheese out of different sausage.
Yeah.
We have mummy ham. We have some Johnsonville sausage and some other kind of sausage. I don't know.
Ham sausage.
Ham sausage.
All is ham, in fact.
So this is our real meat lovers. Kids will love this one. Everybody will love this one. We got an again.
Well, them don't like anything. You know, the thing I would add was some olives, but the rest of them do like olives.
Well, just leave this one with meat on and the next one we go put some olives and thing in. That is enough. Alright, real good. Time for the cheese.
Yeah.
What kind of cheese is this? Oh, mozzarella.
Mozzarella, yeah.
So what happened to the other cheese? This cheese is the pizza taste better.
But this is originally what you use for pizza.
Okay. Some black pepper. That's it? Put it in the oven. Your veggie already inside. Wow. That looking good, yeah. That looking amazing. I'm gonna come in here one time. Yes guys, I'm gonna cut this lovely pizza. I tried to cut it while it was hot, but it was too hot, tower hot. So Leah now gonna cut it. Siri, you ready to taste the pizza?
Yeah.
Hot, you know. Check out the beautiful slice. Is that besides the Leah, we see it? Check it out. What's the underneath? Wow, this one cooked to perfection. Let's taste it. So yes guys, this is the a little quickie dish on Chin Life every dish. What mommy cooking, what Leah cooking. Time to taste this meat lover pizza. Very nice hard crust, just how I like it. I do like thick crusted pizza. Let me taste it a little hotter. Nice and crunchy. Hot to love. Take one more bite. Yes guys, and we go. Bye bye.
Garbage bag. I really think I should move the garbage bin.
Stop talking now.
Can I do this? Can I come here?
No, I can just move it so it's there.
No, he does only focus on the
He had to edit this out. All this has had to be edited.
No, sometimes I just play that's funny things, so you don't talk too much. Your videos tomorrow.
Did I approve that?
Alright. Well, yeah, you can hide if you want. There's up to you, but we can all cook for you tomorrow. Right, so it's, guys, mommy